guys, I'm Heaven Peralejo and welcome to my world. I love doing pottery. Lumalabas yung creativity ko. I think it makes me think outside the box. I love going to the gym. I love boxing, Muay Thai. I love Pilates. I love my pets. As in, tinutunan ko sila talagang mga anak. I love doing flower arrangement. Give me flowers every day and I will love you every day. My favorites are tulips. I don't know, tulips are like you give time for them to bloom. And I guess it resonates with me. It takes time for me to bloom. I love popcorn. As if, yun yung junk food ko. I know how to make popcorn. Meron na akong seasoning. Kahit manood ako, mag-binge watch ako. Pagkising ko, kayang mag-popcorn. I'm always an achiever as a child. I used to compete a lot, singing competition, and I don't like losing. Sa hindi inaasahan, pagtatapon ng mga mundo, may minsan lang na nagdugtong, damang-dama na ang ugong nito. My goals in life, I don't know, just to be like content and happy. You know, mabigyan ko lang ng happiness yung mga taong nasa paligid ko. I think hindi ako nakikling on to things because I don't think na it's permanent in life. And I cling on to more experiences. I guess I have so much love to give. Like, hindi ako naubusan ng pagmamahal. Kung baga sa age ko, I'm very motherly. Luna is selfless, same as me. We love deeply. I guess like our priorities in life also. Ang priorities ni Luna is, studies. My priorities in life is career. And I think second best is yung relationship or yung love life. Pero alam mo yun, like ibibigay ko pa rin naman lahat.
Can I call you mine?
Uumpisahan ko na yung operation. Hashtag lokal!
Lokal?
Luna at Calix!
Hey guys, please don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. Instagram, Heaven Peralejo. TikTok, Heaven Peralejo. On Twitter, H Peralejo. And on YouTube, Heaven Peralejo. Oh wait, I still have my FB page, Heaven Peralejo. Bye guys, thank you so much.